Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular A4 is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. As well as this, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Looking at the external features now, with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the front bumper and rear diffuser. As well as this, you do get the blacked out window surrounds, black mirror housing and black badges. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid Audi Sport wheels, and they do really complement the grey paint. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A4 Avant, where we do find up to 495 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a half leather interior with the additional Dynamica in the centre. As well as this, we do find a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes this A4 Avant perfect for family usage. Now taking a look into the front of the A4, we find this fantastic interior with a host of high quality materials such as leather, Dynamica, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean you get these two-tone leather seats which you have the additional white stitching to complement and the Audi Sports logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, and this screen does allow access to your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation. Does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the 360 surround camera, which does make this A4 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.